Okay, I don't have much more to add. I want just to congratulate Coach Butautas, Lithuanian team, the crowd, great crowd, great Vilnius crowd. It was a fantastic atmosphere to play a basketball game. About the game, Lithuania deserved 100% his win. They played tougher, they played with more intensity, so not too much to say really.
Nelabai ką galiu pridurti, išskyrus tai, kad iš tiesų buvo puiku žaisti, nuostabus ir gali, fantastiška atmosfera. Lietuvos rinktinė nusipelnė 100% pergalės, jie žaidė intensyviau, jie žaidė kiečiau ir turbūt daugiau nelabai ką ir pridursi. Klausimai?
It seems you have changed sides since Sevilla game, yeah? Coach?
Every game is different. Every game is different, of course. That game was a very good one for us, very bad for them. Today was the opposite. I think that preparation games, known of the scores, are really mattering. For sure, we learn. I hope we learn from this game. Like Lithuania showed tonight that they learned from that game. So, important thing would be ready. Be ready on Monday when the European Championship will start.
What are your impressions of the atmosphere here in Lithuania?
Yeah, I will translate, okay? Klausimas buvo, kad vaizdas buvo priešingas negu Sevilijoje. Treneris sakė, kad kiekvienos rungtynės yra skirtingos. Aš tikiuosi, kad mūsų komandą mes pasimokysim ir aišku, svarbiausia yra tai, kaip komanda žais pirmadienį.
What are your impressions of the atmosphere here in Lithuania? How does it compare to the crowd and the atmosphere compared to other European countries?
I love it. I've played in Lithuania all my life, and it was in Kaunas and Vilnius. It was tough because they have all these excellent teams, and it's really difficult to win. But it's very nice how fans surround the game, how they cheer for their home team, and the arena is wonderful. So really, it's a great place to play basketball. Apart from the fact that you always face very good teams, and it's very difficult to win here. With any team you come in.
Klausimas buvo apie atmosferą, palyginti su kitom šalim. Treneris atsakė, man labai patiko. Tiesą sakant, žaidžiau čia daug kartų ir Kaune, ir Vilniuje, ir komandos labai geros, su kuriam tekdavo žaisti, ir gali nuostabiai papildo rungtynes. Tai, kaip jie palaiko, viskas čia labai gerai, skirius tai, kad labai sunku žaisti ir labai sunku laimėti.
Coach, will we have Pau and Rudy back on Monday or later?
If everything goes right, they will start to play some minutes. For sure, Pau, I would say. Rudy is still questionable for that game.
Klausimas dėl traumuotų žaidėjų, dėl Pau Gasolio ir Rudy Fernandeso, tai treneris atsakė dėl pirmadienio rungtynių pirmųjų. Jeigu viskas bus tvarkoje, kaip planuoja gydytojai, jie žais šiek tiek minučių. Gasolis tikrai turėtų žaisti, Rudžio situacija dar nėra visiškai aiški. No more questions? Thank you, Coach.
Good night. I see you.
Good luck.